Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the YNAB application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device, and just tap on the search box and type in YNAB and start your search. Once you find the YNAB application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will now begin the download and installation of the YNAB application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button which you can click on in order to open up the application. And after opening the application, you may proceed forward with signing up to create a new account or log into your existing one to start using the YNAB application on your smartphone right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the YNAB application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.